If you're experiencing a verification pending status with Elevation's credit union, follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly. Step 1. Check your email. Look for any emails from Elevation's credit union regarding your verification status. They may have sent instructions or additional information needed to complete the process. Step 2. Verify your information. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROP to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Contact customer support. Reach out to Elevation's credit union's customer support for assistance. They can provide specific details about your verification status and guide you on any necessary steps. Step 4. Submit required documents. If additional documentation is needed, gather and submit the requested documents promptly. This may include identification or proof of address. Step 5. Wait for confirmation. After submitting any required information, allow some time for the credit union to process your verification. Check your email or account for updates on your status. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the verification pending issue efficiently. If problems persist, continue to communicate with customer support for further assistance.